Here are the answers for the day 2 warm-up. Use the table of bond energies on page 236 to answer these questions. Question A. How many kilojoules of energy are released when carbon and oxygen atoms form 1 mole of carbon to oxygen single covalent bonds? Look at that table and find the carbon to oxygen single covalent bonds. It'll be a capital C, single dash line, capital O. The number given in the chart is 356 kilojoules per mole. This problem says we have only 1 mole of these bonds, so 356 times 1 is 356. Question B. How many kilojoules of energy are used when 1 mole of oxygen to hydrogen single covalent bonds are broken? Again, refer to that chart. Look for oxygen to hydrogen single covalent bonds. So capital O, dash line, capital H. The number that you'll find is 464 kilojoules per mole. This problem says there is only 1 mole. So 464 times 1 is, oops, I don't know why I said 456 there. Question C. How many kilojoules of energy are needed to break all of the bonds in 5 moles of ethane, which has the formula C2H6, and you see the structural drawing there. Well, looking at that structural drawing, we can see that there is 1 carbon-carbon bond, and there are 6 carbon-hydrogen bonds in 1 molecule. So use the chart, look up the bond energies. To break 1 mole of carbon-carbon bonds uses 347 kilojoules of energy. To break 1 mole of carbon-hydrogen bonds uses 393 kilojoules of energy for each one of those carbon-hydrogen bonds. So notice the multiplication by 6 in the math expression. And that was just for 1 mole of those bonds. This problem says that we have 5 moles of ethane. So you'll notice the multiplication by 5 in the math expression. The result is 13,525 kilojoules of energy.